How to fix Instagram not uploading videos on Instagram. If you're having problem uploading videos on Instagram, then follow these steps. Firstly, check your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your network is lagging, then switch to a different network or reset the network that you are currently using. Now go to your Play Store or App Store on the device. Look for the Instagram app. If you find any new updates, then update your app. If there are no updates available, go back to your home page. Now navigate to the Instagram app. After that, tap and hold on the Instagram app. Click on the eye icon. In your app info, scroll down and click on Storage. From the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. After clearing your cache, go back to your home page. You will also need to check your video format. Make sure that your video is under 60 seconds for post or reels and is in supported formats like MP4. Instagram may block uploads with copyright material, so try uploading without audio or edit the clip. Now these are just temporary, but log out and log back in. This will refresh your app, solving your problem. That's all for today. Thank you.